Welcome back, Kutis. In the previous class, we saw about the pronouns introduction. In this class also, we are going to briefly see what is a pronoun. Okay, and we are going to do the activity which has been given in the Little Thinker page. Okay, see, recap of pronouns. Already told you what is a pronoun. Do you remember what is a pronoun? In the previous class, I told you pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. So instead of noun, the pronoun will comes. Okay, like he, she, they, like that. It will comes in the place of a noun. Okay, a word. Once again, I'll tell you the word that takes the place of a person, place, or thing. Once again, I'll say a word that takes the place of a person, place, or thing. Okay, for example, I, we, you, she, he, they, it. These are the words that comes instead of nouns. Okay, see, main words are this: he, she, and then they. For a boy, we will represent the boy as he. Okay, we will represent the boy as he. Boy is a noun. Instead of the noun, we are going to use the word he. And then girl. For the girl, girl is a noun. We are going to use she instead of the girl. Okay. Instead of saying the word girl repeatedly, we can use of the word she. Okay. Next, group of children. So in a sentence we cannot repeat the word group of children. So instead of that we can say they, group of people, and then group of students, we can call them as they are. Okay, next, the same words: he, she. Instead of a boy, he; instead of a girl, she; and instead of a things or animals or birds, vegetables, fruits, like that, we can say as it. Okay, see, who is this? A girl. The girl is skipping. So instead of that, the girl, we can write the word she. What is that? She. So instead of the word girl, we can write it as she is skipping. Okay. What she is doing? She is skipping here. So we can tell the girl is skipping or she is skipping. Okay. Do you understand? Next. Who is this? This is a boy. Instead of saying the boy is singing, we can say he is singing. Okay. Instead of the boy, we are using the word pronoun he. Okay. He or she or they all the pronouns. They are all pronouns. Okay. The boy is singing or he is singing. We are taking the noun and putting it as pronoun. Okay. Next. What is this? What the boy is showing to us? Yes, this is a ball. So instead of saying, we can say it is a ball. Okay. What is this? We can say it is a ball. Okay. For the thing, we are using it. This is not a person. This is a thing. So instead of the thing, we have to use it. What is this? It is a ball. Next. See, many children are playing. So we can say the children are playing is a noun. The children is a noun. So instead of telling the children, we can say they. Instead of children, we are using the word they. They are playing. Okay. Many children are there. Okay. Instead of children, children is a noun. Instead of a noun, we are going to use the pronoun. What pronoun we are going to use here for group of children? Yes, they. They are playing. Okay. Do you understand? So, if you understand, we can complete this activity, page number 27 in Little Thinker book, activity 6.7. Shall I read the sentence? Fill in the blanks with the most suitable pronoun from the help box. See, fill in the blanks with the most suitable pronoun from the help box. This is very simple activity. I will explain you how. See, the pictures also given here to help you. Okay, if you are seeing a girl, girl is a noun. For girl, what pronoun we have to use? Yes, she is a pronoun for the noun girl. Very good. Whenever you are seeing the picture girl, you can write she. Okay. In the same way, whenever you are seeing a picture boy, boy is a noun. So we are going to replace the noun into a pronoun. For boy, what we can write? What pronoun we can use? Yes, he. For boy, we can use he. Next, group of children. I already told you when we are seeing a group of people or children, you can call them as, you can change the noun as pronoun by telling they. So, the children is a noun, they is a pronoun. Understand? Shall we go into the session in this activity? So, here. This is Sherry. Sherry is this girl's name. Dash is holding a flower. So, this is a girl. What you are going to write here? See, the clue box is also given there. Do you want the help of clue box? No need, no. You can write by yourself. Without seeing the clue box, you can write easily. When you are seeing a girl, you can write she. When you are seeing a boy, you can write he. When you are seeing a group of children, you can write they. So, only the 3 words you are going to learn in this first standard. In the next class, higher classes, you can study more about that pronouns. Okay, briefly. This is Sherry. She is holding a flower. Okay. Next, next sentence. See, this is Ram and Jessie. So, the pictures given are both boy and girl. Boy, girl. So, group of children. So, here comes, instead of children, you can write the pronoun they. Okay. They, they are wearing crowns. Okay, this is Ram and Jessie. They are wearing crowns. Next, third sentence. This is Suman. So, he is a boy. Boy, we are going to take the noun and put pronoun here. Boy, enna varum? Yes, he likes to play football. This is Suman. He likes to play football. Next, girl picture. This is Tina. She likes to wear a pretty blue scarf. Okay, she is Tina. This is Tina. She likes to wear a pretty blue scarf. Okay, for girl, we can use the pronoun she. Next, both boy and girl picture. So, you are going to write, this is Meela and Rahim. They are holding hands. Okay. This is Meela and Rahim. They are holding hands. The last sentence, the boy is making himself ugly. This is Pavan. He is making a mess. Understand this activity? You can use this puzzle activity in your app, puzzle app. Okay, and then you can see more examples in that video using the puzzle app. If you have puzzle app, you can go and check it. I hope you all must be having puzzle app. In that you can go and check this code. We can find many activities in uh, regarding this pronouns. Okay. Next, we are moving to the amazing report. See, I hope you all know how to write amazing book report. I already told you. Yes or no? You have to write the title of the book. Before completing the amazing report, we will quickly recap the story, the post office. Okay, before writing the amazing report, I will quickly recap this lesson. Okay, the post office. Mrs. Kamala Ravi works in the post office. The post office is a big red building with many tiny rooms. The post office is a very busy place. Many people work for the post office doing different jobs. Many people come to the office every day. Kamala collects letters and parcels from people who visit the post office. Every day, Kamala sits at her desk in front of the computer. On her desk, she has a few pens, a few files, some papers, and a giant stapler. She also has a small weighing machine. Visitors with boxes and letters stand in a line to meet Kamala. Some are old, some are young, some carry big boxes and some carry small ones. Here's Malati. Malati works at the flower shop next door. She has a small box in her hand. She wants to send a parcel to Delhi. She is sending her best friend a birthday gift. Kamala carefully weighs the box. That will be 100, please, she says. Malati pays her and says, thank you. Kamala enjoys her job. She likes helping people. So this is the end of the story. Okay, I already told you this is the kinds of stamps which is in India. Okay. Next, we can move into the amazing book report. Are you all ready? Okay. What is the title of the book? Yes, The Post Office. The story is about what your answer. You have to say your answer. I am going to give my answer. Okay, the story is about Mrs. Kamala Ravi. You can write the same or what you think you can write that. From the story, what is the story is about? Okay, Write your answer. Something that I have learnt from this story. I have learnt workers at the post office and their work. Okay, I learnt about the workers at the post office and their work. This is my answer. You can give your own answers. Okay, next. 3 new words that I have learned from this story. I have collected 3 words: florist, parcel, weighing machine. You can write your own 3 words from the story post office. Okay. I like this book because tick one or more boxes. Why you like this book? I learned about different occupations. I like the pictures. I learned to write a letter. What you learn from the story? I like the pictures and I learned about different occupations. So I have marked 2. Okay. The next one. This is up to your choice. The last one. See, I like this book because one more reason. Instead of that, I am giving I learnt about postal workers. Okay. Draw and color your favorite scene from the story. What is your favorite scene from the story post office? You can draw here. Okay. And then you have to give the reason why you like this particular scene which you have drawn here. Okay. How many stars you will give to this story? You can color the stars here. Okay, children, we are going to end up this class. We will see in the next class. Thank you, children. Bye.